2015 Dodge Ram. We're gonna go ahead and check to see if the air conditioning evaporator is bad. Fill it with freon and it only lasts 1 day, or you'll get a smell from freon coming out through the vents. If you get a smell coming out through the vents or smoke, like a weird smell, then that is because your evaporator is bad on your car. And then so we could confirm that that's what it is, the leak. That way I don't have to take it all apart. I could confirm without removing everything that that's the problem. So you guys want to confirm also, and you don't want to take chances or taking it apart and then you don't know if that was it or not. Then you got to get through to the side over here by the air blower motor. So right now we're gonna go ahead and start taking parts apart. Everything that's in the way, I don't want stuff in the way. Got some pins here you gotta push down. They're pretty hard. You could replace them with new ones or push them down with the tool and push them down. Now we need a size 8 socket. It's actually a 7. 7. Flat, star, or a 7. This was a little bit more harder to get to. I don't know. You parked it there. Then they should be in there.
I thought I had it. Looking good. See? Let the car run.
Which one?
See?
Yeah.
What's the deal with it?
It's not mine.
Oh, I know. Oh, you saw it or what?
I just want to get it out of here.
Oh.
It's in the way.
My house?
Yeah, I want to get it out.
Like a pig right now.
I just put an 8, but it's not working. It's not an 8. It's not working. It should be an 8. Let's see. I guess I put the wrong one. Are you going to go over there? Because I need that quick.
Yeah, go over there.
How long?
As long as you take over back.
Yeah, it was an 8. I must have put the wrong socket on the impact tool. 100 degrees over here. Got the blower motor out. Now we're gonna put our camera in there, see if we can hopefully see it, which we should be able to. And there you have it, guys. Look at that. So if you want to find out if your evaporator is leaking, just do that. Look at that. I can even smell the freon. Toasted. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take it out since we confirmed that there's a leak 100% in there. Don't forget to subscribe. Watch part 2.